I'm Dr. Vijay Bhaskar, orthopedic surgeon. Calf muscles pain. A calf is one of the strongest muscles which act as a second pump like heart. So the calf muscles have a bulk of muscles which forms into a tendocalcaneum, that is a tendon which attaches at the back of the heel, where it helps you to walk, run and jump. So this calf muscle pain is most important to know, because nowadays there are a lot of reasons to develop the calf pain. One among most common is a calf strain, stress or injury. That is one of the most commonly happens in the calf area. And in the midnight, when they are in the sleep, there is a sudden jerk of the knee leads to calf myalgia or calf muscle pain, or the catch in the muscles, and there is a stimulation of the nerve leads to muscle spasm. So this is one of the main reason where the midnight calf pain occurs. And then sometimes when there is a vitamin D, calcium, and then sometimes a mineral deficiency also, or nutritional deficiency also causes the calf muscle pain. And then there is a injury to the bone posterior to the knee or leg also sometimes causes the calf muscle pain. And then where there is a tumor in the bone or muscles also causes the calf muscle pain. So likewise, where the most important factor to discuss it here is why there is a catch in the midnight. Because of the psychological stress, strain, sleeplessness, there is a dream suddenly causes the spasm of the muscle due to catch in the nerve or the muscle, leads to calf pain. So a person who is suffering with psychological problems, or who is suffering with osteoporosis, who is suffering with vitamin D, calcium deficiency, suffering with injury, develops the calf pain, which are to be treated after the diagnosis. So diagnosis means you have to take a X-ray of the calf, X-ray of the leg, CT scan or MRI if necessary, and then sometimes certain blood tests to rule out the rheumatoid arthritis, rule out the vitamin D, calcium levels, rule out the minerals, rule out the fluids in the body, or electrolytes in the body, and sometimes see the in a tendon injury or a bony injury, or any tumors in the muscles in the calf, or sometimes osteophytes are the bony tumors of the tibia fibula also causes the calf pain. So various calf pains are to be diagnosed with the specific X-ray, CT, MRI and blood test, and then treat accordingly. If there is osteoporosis with the vitamin D, calcium deficient, that should be treated with vitamin D and calcium and minerals, and lots of water with the minerals to be supplemented to rule out. And then sometimes we have to give a B complex with vitamin E therapy to control the calf myalgia. Then if there is a strain, stress and injury, that part to be given rest and painkillers, so that the healing will take place inside the calf, so that the recovery will be good. So likewise, whenever we see calf pain other than causes like there is a stress and strain, then early morning you have to be spiritual, and you should do meditation, yoga, pranayam, physical exercises to reduce your stress and strain, so that it will help you. And try to meet neuropsychiatrists or psychologists to treat your sleeplessness or any other problems. So apart from this, the tumorous condition should rule out whether it's arising from the muscle or it's arising from the bone, then treat according to the tumorous conditions. Sometimes infections or abscess in the calf area also be treated by draining the abscess and treating with antibiotic therapy. Some viral diseases also causes the cough and joint pains. Then such viral diseases also to be treated accordingly. Then with the, if necessary, painkillers and steroid therapy, so that the immunological disorder or a viral disorder can be treated according to the specific diagnosis. And then cough is such a powerful muscle where it needs to be strong. So the vitamin supplement and then the mineral supplement, sufficient water content in the body, sufficient electrolytes in the body should be maintained, so that any sports activities or any physical exercises, gym therapies to be treated safely. Whenever you go to any stress and strain exercises, that time you should have a sufficient simple method, taking lots of water with the salt, sugar and lemon, so that the body fluids will be restored, so that you will not develop any calf muscles pain. So this is what, and that's it.